it's Ruu. In this video, we will be celebrating Ruu Cocktails' 1-year anniversary. Thank you to all of my subscribers and everyone for watching me through this journey. So far, this channel has over 63,000 views. And to celebrate, I am going to share with you my favorite tequila shot, the Clase Azul. Are you ready to take this drink with me? Let's get started. Here it is, the Clase Azul, Reposado. It's still time. Let's go grab them. A snifter glass and a jigger. Grab your bottle of Clase Azul. We will be pouring 1 ounce of tequila into the glass. And there you go, my friends. The Clase Azul, my favorite tequila drink. Cheers. So smooth.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.